Hi there, this is Mark speaking, 26 Media. I'm quickly making this quick tutorial on the phone to quickly show you how you can get high quality images, content via WhatsApp. I'm making this video because most of the time I get clients and people that are learning from me and all that having problem with graphic design softwares on how to get images or high quality images via WhatsApp, because sometimes clients send contents on WhatsApp and things like that and you are quite not able to use them because the quality are very low. So I'm gonna quickly show you how you can get high quality and proper content via WhatsApp. So what you do is you go to your WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. I'm under the messages. I'm just gonna quickly go to my team chat, and then here is the chat, as you can see. So what I do is instead of attaching a picture like this or attaching an image like this from the gallery, this is wrong. I mean, it's okay if you're sending to people, but if you want to do creative content, it's wrong. What you do is you go to file, attachment, and you say document. Under document, you can see all the documents that you have. And then I'm gonna quickly not attach it from here. I'm gonna go to file, attach document, and then browse, and then this is my document. I can still click here and check wherever you found or you kept or you saved your file, if it's download, images, video, but in my case it's just here. So I'm just gonna select any random image. You can also select multiple images, so let me select this one for instance, and then I say send, and then there is the image is loading. If you check the file size, it showed you it's like 1.50 whatever megabyte, which WhatsApp normally doesn't send file in megabyte because it's too high still. And then if I click on this one, this is a low quality via WhatsApp. If I scroll up, all those files are low quality, all those are low quality, but this one are high quality. This one is high quality. As you can see, it's a high quality file. This one as well, and I can attach another one file so you remember. Browse, this is the most recent files sent. It's gonna quickly load. I can attach this one as well, send, check the megabytes, open, it's high. This is how you send high quality files via WhatsApp. So thank you very much. Thank you so much for listening or for watching this video. Just a quick tutorial. You can send this to your client, to your friends, or whoever is requesting you or asking you to design or make any kind of creative content. You have to make sure it's high quality. Thank you.